Joining is a crucial step in manufacturing aluminium components from shaped sheets and profiles. Various methods are employed to connect thin-walled aluminium to itself or other materials. Connections can be categorized as detachable, like screws, conditionally detachable, like folding, and undetachable, like welding. Each method serves specific applications. Screw joints are common detachable connections designed as pierced through or blind hole joints, often protected against corrosion for durability. The joining elements are made of corrosion-resistant stainless steel. Since aluminium alloys have relatively lower compressive strengths, the contact surfaces must be protected by using washers under the screw and the nut. Using corrosion-resistant stainless steel for screw elements ensures reliability. Washers protect contact surfaces due to aluminium's lower compressive strengths. Sheet metal screws, popular for thin sheets, eliminate drilling processes during assembly, while also offering substantial clamping forces. Flow drilling creates collared holes for threading by using a high-speed tapered punch, enhancing the joining process for aluminium. Prefabricated profiles are being increasingly used for aluminium constructions. The profiles have longitudinal and transverse screw channels, or grooves, to take up the stainless steel screws. Folding techniques effectively join aluminium through steps like folding and pressing, protecting the oxide film for corrosion resistance. Riveting is experiencing a resurgence, particularly in the aerospace industry, utilizing direct and indirect methods for strong connections. Indirect riveting uses auxiliary elements to clamp parts, while direct riveting employs one of the components to act as the auxiliary tool. Types of indirect rivets include solid, blind, and huck bolts, specially designed for permanent connections and high-stress applications. Solid rivets are one-piece joining elements in which the rivet shaft is plastically formed into the closing head. Huck bolts, screw rivets, are used for highly stressed rivet joints. Blind rivets consist of one or more elements and require only one accessible side for mounting. Solid rivets require accessibility from both sides. Huck bolts offer robust joint strength, while blind rivets can be installed from one side only. Rivets are classified by the head shape, and those up to 8 mm in diameter can be easily cold-worked, a feat particularly useful in light constructions. Innovations in rivets stem from aerospace needs, especially blind rivets that allow for easy insertion and require special tooling. Compatibility in materials is crucial when using mechanical fasteners, ensuring corrosion and recycling concerns are adequately addressed. In hostile environments, insulation between aluminium parts and fastening elements is necessary to maintain the integrity of the joints. Thank you for watching. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe for more insights on aluminium joining methods.